Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Physics Insight. I welcome you back in the second session of MCQ based questions of electromagnetic spectrum. So we are starting with the first question today. When a white ray falls on a prism, the ray at its first surface suffers only refraction, only dispersion, only deviation, both deviation as well as dispersion. See students, when a beam of light reaches the side of prism, it undergoes refraction at the boundary. It also gets separated into its constituent colors. Hence, on falling on the prism, it suffers both deviation as well as dispersion. So, D option is correct. In the second question, in the spectrum of white light by prism, the color at the extreme and opposite to the base of prism is. See, this is prism. So, this is the base of prism. Opposite to base, which color is at extreme? So, at extreme, red color is there. Okay. So red is the correct answer. C part is the correct answer for this question. Which of the following is correct? Out of all these four situations, which situation is correct? See, whenever dispersion takes place, the colors so formed are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength as violet has lowest wavelength and red has maximum wavelength. So according to all these situations, yellow, green and blue. So this option is correct. Yellow is having more, then green, then blue. B option is correct for this. So B option is correct. In the fourth question, the question is a radiation X is focused by a proper device on the bulb of thermometer due to which mercury in it shows a rapid increase. The radiation X is infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays. So out of all these four, which radiation is this? See, on heating, objects expand and mercury expands on heating. So which radiation will supply heat among all these four? X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light and infrared radiation. Out of these four, only infrared radiation is having heating effect. So A option is correct among these. Proceeding to the next question. The wavelength range of visible part of electromagnetic spectrum is. The violet is having wavelength 400 nanometers and it extends up to red, which is at 800 nanometers. Okay, so see, this nanometer means 10 raised power minus 9. So if you divide and multiply this figure by 10, so you will get 8000 into 10 raised power minus 10. Here you will get 4000 into 10 raised power minus 10. This 10 raised power minus 10 figures represents angstroms. So means 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom is the correct answer. So B option is correct for this question. Proceeding to the sixth question. Blue color of sky is due to scattering of light. B option is correct. Proceeding to the seventh question, rainbow is formed due to, out of these four, which one is correct? See, how rainbow is formed? There is a water droplet, light enters in it, then it splits into 7 colors, okay, and then it reflects with the front surface and come back and spreads into 7 bands. So means firstly refraction took place, then dispersion took place and then reflection took place. So all the three phenomena took place. So means B option is correct. Total internal reflection, refraction as well as dispersion of light through water droplets took place in the formation of rainbow. Proceeding to the eighth question, dispersion of light by a prism is due to change in, see, frequency of light never change. Whether light goes from one medium to another medium, the frequency will remain constant. So speed of light for different colors is different. So scattering is not going on, dispersion is taking place. So B option is correct for this, speed of light for different colors, because change in speed takes place for different colors in different mediums. Next is, in white light of sun, maximum scattering by air molecules present in Earth's atmosphere is for. See, scattering is maximum for the colors which is having lesser wavelength. See, short wavelength, more scattering. Okay, so in VIBGYOR, so this series, violet, indigo and blue, this is having smaller wavelength. So these colors will scatter the most. So out of all these, so green color will not be there, yellow will not be there, red will not be there. So blue is the color which is having short wavelength, so it will scatter the most. Proceeding to the 10th question now. The wavelength range of white light is. See, earlier the question was in angstroms. So now here the question is in nanometers. So the correct answer is 400 to 800 nanometers. So C option is correct. Now proceeding to the 11th question. The wavelength of red colors is 800 nanometer. Find its frequency. Speed of light is given to you this. So in order to solve these kind of numericals, we are having a specified formula that velocity of light is wavelength into frequency. So velocity is given to you 3 into 10 raised power 8 and wavelength is given to you 800 nanometers, mean 800 into 10 raised power minus 9 meters. So you need to evaluate frequency. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 8 upon 800 into 10 raised power minus 9. So frequency is equivalent to 3 upon 800 10 raised power 8 plus 9, or you can say 3 into 10 raised power 8 plus 9 minus 2 upon 8. These two zeros I have shifted up. So it came out to be 3 upon 8 into 10 raised to the power 15. So it is equivalent to 0.375 into 10 raised power 15, or we can say that 3.75 into 10 raised power 14. So out of these, A option is correct. 3.75 into 10 raised power 14, and hertz are the units of frequency. Proceeding to the 12th question. Which color undergoes which colors undergo minimum deviation in the spectrum of white light by prism? C. Minimum deviation. Longer will be wavelength, lesser will be scattering or deviation. Okay, so whichsoever color is having longer wavelength, it will deviate less and it will scatter less. So out of all these, so red is having maximum wavelength, so it will deviate the least. Proceeding to next question. How does the speed of light in glass change on increasing the wavelength of light? See, velocity of light and wavelength of light both are directly proportional to each other. How you know this? See, velocity is equals to wavelength into frequency. Frequency of a wave remains constant when a light moves from one medium to another. So velocity is directly proportional to wavelength. So if the wavelength is increasing, velocity is increasing. So speed of light increases with increase in its wavelength. A option is correct for the 13th question. Proceeding to the 14th question. Name the discoverer of infrared rays. So infrared rays was discovered by Sir William Herschel. So C option is correct. Okay. See, Ritter discovered UV rays. Hertz discovered radio waves. And Marconi worked on radio telegraphy. Next is, name the discoverer of X-rays. So X-rays was discovered by Roentgen. C part. Next question is, which of the following has minimum wavelength? See, gamma rays is having maximum frequency, which means lowest wavelength, as wavelength and frequency are inversely related to each other? So the correct option is A part. Which of the following has maximum penetrating power? See, out of all these, gamma rays penetrates the most. So D option is correct. For the next question, which of the following is called the heat radiation? See, out of these four, infrared radiations is having the heating effect. So infrared radiations are called heat radiations. Which of the following are not electromagnetic waves? Cosmic rays, gamma rays, beta rays and X-rays. See, out of all these, cosmic rays, gamma rays and X-rays, all these fall in electromagnetic spectrum. Only beta rays are electrons. So beta rays is the correct answer. 10 centimeter is the wavelength corresponding to the spectrum of which radiation? 10 centimeter is the range of infrared rays. The structure of solid is investigated by using X-rays. Next is, which of the radiations are used in the treatment of muscle ache? So the treatment of muscle ache is done by the help of heat. So the radiation which will provide heat are infrared radiations. So A option is correct for this answer. The ultra high frequency band of radio waves in the electromagnetic waves is used in TV, cellular phone communication, commercial FM radio. C. So ultra high frequency band of radio waves are used for the, you can say, satellite communication as well as cellular phone communication. So both A and B are correct. Next question. The waves used by artificial satellite for communication is. So the waves carried by artificial satellites for communication is microwaves. Next, 25th question. Which of the following electromagnetic waves is used in medicine to destroy cancer cells? So radiotherapy is done to destroy cancer cells, and radiotherapy gamma rays are used. So C option is correct for this. So students, these were some more MCQs related to electromagnetic spectrum. Stay tuned students for more videos. Keep supporting us by liking and sharing our content. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So see you again students in the next video. God bless you all.